What's going on, you guys? It's Nick, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can shoot raw pictures on your phone and why you should always be shooting in RAW. Because you want to shoot absolute bangers for your Instagram, of course. I digress. Let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on RAW pictures. So for taking pictures, the two main file types that you've probably heard of are JPEG and RAW. Essentially, JPEG files compress all the data from a picture when it's taken. This means that it has a very small amount of data that you can actually use when you go to edit those pictures. RAW files, on the other hand, save all of this data. That's why these files take up so much space. So an app that's super popular that I'm sure you've all heard of is VSCO, or VSCO. VSCO? And they actually added support for taking raw pictures. So I'm using my iPhone, but if you got an Android, they have it as well. So for this tutorial, we're gonna be looking at this app, but there are other apps that are paid apps that you can use that will do the same thing and take raw pictures, and I'll leave those linked down below. Okay, so open up VSCO, and right inside the camera, you'll see that there's a button that says RAW. So to actually have your camera take raw pictures, all you have to do inside the app is click RAW, and then it's going to turn on raw pictures. That's the file format they'll be taken in. Did you even know what RAW was until now? You could have been taking toasty shots and you didn't even know, and you've been using VSCO this whole time. Now you know. Okay, so that was pretty easy, but we're still not done yet if you want to be taking crispy pictures for your Insta. Next, turn on rule of thirds grid so that you can actually compose your shots well. Maybe adjust the exposure and shutter speed to capture the picture exactly how you want it. Inside of VSCO, you can also adjust the aperture if you're taking something and you want to blur out the background, or you want to have everything in focus. Whatever you guys want, you can do that inside this app. If you're looking to have a little bit more in-depth editing, you can actually export all these pictures out in RAW file format and then import them into Lightroom or Photoshop. That's what I would do, but you can still use VSCO. It works really well on your phone, and if you only have your phone, that's a perfect way to do it. So from this point, all you need to do is drop one of those VSCO filters on it, export that, throw it up on the gram, and wait for all those hearts to start rolling in, you guys. That's it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now I'm branching out this year in 2018. So that means more tech reviews, tutorials, and maybe even some vlogs thrown in there. I don't know, you guys will just have to stick around and find out. So let me know down in the comment section down below what you want to see next in a video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to do that. And I will see you guys in the next video.